Hello and welcome to Advanced Communications. We're going to be working on trying to put together a personal marketing package. We're going to focus on your resume, your cover letter, analyzing the employer, analyzing your own skills, and all the tools and techniques that go into presenting yourself to an employer as a professional and qualified applicant. So as we work through the various exercises in our time together, remember that the written word, the electronic image, and your presentation are your brand. So we need to control as many of the elements that are possible for us to control in order to make the right impression. You won't be there to show them that you have this or that quality. So you'll need to be very careful about how you present yourself in writing and on video. I hope you enjoyed the class. I'm looking forward to it.